Magnolia State, major flooding is having an impact on farms in the Delta. Some fields have turned into lakes. WJTV 12's Alex Love spoke with farmers about what this could mean for this year's big harvest.
Planting season is only a few weeks away, but right now farmers in Yazoo County are seeing their crop fields taken over by the Yazoo River, leaving many roads cut off, and many in the community are anxious to when this will end. What's usually acres of land ready to grow corn, soybeans, and other crops this time of the year is now underwater, bringing most farming to a standstill.
Out front there, that's the river, which usually it would be farmed this time. You know, they would prep for farming, but right now it's all water.
I farm right at 4,000 acres, and all of it's underwater except for 200.
Many expect major delays till they can start planting.
Corn would start around this time and go all the way till April, and that'll be out of the question in most areas around here. And then after that, soybeans and cotton, and we'll see how that develops.
And locals fear it will be a big financial hit.
Our livelihood is in the farm, so you can't plant nothing. You can't plant in water, so we have to just thank the Lord for what we are doing. You know, can't do no more than that.
Most field flooding is now backing up to homes. One family showed me they're relying on pumps to keep their yards dry and push water back into the fields.
If that water stays there long enough, it affects the wood and everything else. The house has a tendency to shift and all kinds of stuff can happen.
In response, Yazoo County Emergency Management held a town meeting in Holly Bluff, reaching out to the public, offering tips and help.
Emergency management starts at home, so they need to have a plan and be prepared to move if needed. And we've made preparations in town by having a shelter on standby. It'll be at the L.T. Miller Center at 903 Lamar Avenue in Yazoo City.
And county emergency officials also said they will have someone on call 24/7 for anybody who needs help with relocation or questions about the flooding. Those numbers can be found on our website, WJTV.com. Reporting in Holly Bluff, Alex Love, WJTV 12 News.